Hello friends, welcome again. Welcome to my YouTube channel Beginner Teaches Python Programming to Himself. So I know still a lot of thing to be discussed about strings, but I leave it incomplete and I move to list because there is a purpose. I want to show some program to you. So I'll very quickly move to list and for example apples. So list is normally denoted by a square bracket and list is equal to in square bracket. I can even leave this incomplete also, blank also. This is also a list which is blank and which many things can be added later on. But for now, I will make a list of say fruits. I'll make a list of fruits. So fruits equal to in square bracket I have to add this name of fruits. So you see this is a square bracket and inside in the quotations I'm adding the name of the list items. For example, this is fruits. R is missing, excuse me. So fruits is equal to apples, comma, oranges in quotations, comma, bananas, grapes. So this is a list of fruits. Now Uh, same like this, what we learn in the strings, print fruits. This has to be exactly same like this, otherwise error will be thrown. So print fruits and hit enter. Then this your list is appeared here. Okay, so why I'm coming to this subject, because with this limited things I want to show one program because I don't want to make it in the boring, but I want to make it in very attractive way, in a very stunning it should surprise the new learner and it should hook up to this Python, because if you go on adding the information it will be boring and you will turn away from that. So I'm excited to write my program. So I just collect a minimum information and then I'll create my first program. So Hello World is not my program. I'll make a program. Just be with me. So this is a list of fruits, and as we know the function len. So print len fruits. So it will give the output 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 items, so it will give the output 4. So you see the output is 4. So same like string, len function will count the length of the list. So there are many things to learn in the list: how to append, how to add, how to remove, how many things. We'll go to that later on. But with this limited knowledge, I want to show you some stunning program. So be with me and I'll make a program now. For example, I make S is equal to uh, as usual. What is our anybody can learn Python programming. So this is a string I took it, and the other day I showed you the different things we can do with the string, and one thing is still there. It is split dot s dot split. So if I make this uh, if I make s dot split, okay, then all this these elements of this string will be coming in one list. So I will say print print, and it will be showing in a list. You see here string is converted into list. So this is very interesting for me. This one, I'm fascinated by this one. Just you take a string and you just put a s dot split, and you see that a list is created. So two things, one is len, and other one is this s dot split. We'll make use of these two things. And one more thing I want to show you, that the other day I said it starts with 0 and the number onwards, but you want evidence of this one. So it is not thing that I am telling and you'll accept. So you want evidence for this. For that, I'll make a quick program. Say I is equal to, don't worry about this. I am trying to make one while loop. We'll discuss about this in later parts. As of now, just bear with me. I is less than length len s colon, and I'm saying print I, and I'll put one string as colon. This is just for neatness, and here I'll make s in the square bracket I. This part I had not discussed before. The string and square bracket, and you write any number, that index will be given as output. For example, if I write s dot 0, s in the square bracket 0, then a will be given as output. If I say s dot, for example, say this is 9 in the square bracket, then c will be displayed because it is index 9 number. So here I want to take the whole loop, so I make this small while loop. We'll discuss about this later on, so don't worry about this. Just look at the output, and then I put I is equal to I plus 1. Don't worry about this, just look the output. So you see here complete string, because I'm telling that first we given 0. So I'm looking to the string. Anybody can learn Python. So here A, the first letter will be 0, second will be 1 and 2, and it goes all the way, counting the spaces also. And you see all the way it come up to the last. So G is 35. So in this tutorial, this much only, and very interesting program. Don't go away, you must see the next one, which will be stunning for you.